Kia ora, and how you going? Clay here, and good to have you joining us on this kayak, camp, catch and cook adventure where my 16-year-old daughter Dayla and me are heading away into the beautiful Marlborough Sounds, located in the top of the South Island of New Zealand on Department of Conservation land. In New Zealand, we've got a lot of native bird species that are endemic to New Zealand, but we don't have any four-legged native animals. Today where we're heading, you'll find introduced wild species like mice, rats, stoat, rabbits, hare, hedgehog, deer, goats, possum and wild pig. If you're planning on doing a mission like this, make sure you take heaps of warm clothes, because in New Zealand we can have like 4 seasons all in one day. And if you're thinking of doing a solo adventure, then let the authorities know where you're going and take a personal locator beacon. That way, if you get yourself lost, everyone will know where to find you. Okay, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. See you on the water and in the bush. Contrary to what the weather was supposed to be doing today, according to the forecast, it ain't doing it. It is howling a gale out there in the water. We will not be putting our kayaks in the sea. They're all good to go, but not with that one. What's that?
It's sunny. The weather's sunny.
We'll set camp and see what the weather's going to do tomorrow. Not looking good. I think this is where we're going to stay tonight, honey. There's fish in this bay and I can hear fresh water. I saw a leather jacket just before. We'll build camp up here for the night. Just pull your boat up a little bit and she can run away. Let's explore our potential campsite.
The bush saw me and thought, I see this amazing warrior, I'm going to attack her.
No, a bumblebee flew past you, you got a shock, and then you moved your leg fast and you scratched it on a stick. Tell it like it is, baby.
It was a wasp, okay?
It was a bumblebee. No. A harmless bumblebee.
No, it wasn't. No, the bumblebee came afterwards. There was a wasp.
What does it taste like?
Like maple syrup.
There's tiny little dewdrops. Sweet?
Yeah.
Do you really think you're going to fit in there?
Yes.
Okay, good luck with that. Wicked. Don't you get yourself stuck. Wicked. That's so cool. Oh, that's so cool. And it's still alive.
Ow,
Living
ow,
in a
ow.
tree. That's wicked.
I speak for the trees and the lyrics. If there's like bugs in there.
It goes quite far up. It's amazing it's still alive. Okay, we'll carry on, come on. Can you get out? Let's see you get out.
I'm not leaving.
Okay, bye. This way. Come on, you clown.
No, it doesn't work. My hip.
Turn your hips sideways. There you go.
Okay.
There you go, jump out. Lift your leg. Sweet as. Sweet.
I know I heard some.
Dad, I think she saw something break out of the bush.
I'm not even freaking kidding, man.
What's that?
I'm not even kidding. Can you move?
Yeah, deer might have snuck off, but look, there's a pig nest there. See that?
Yeah, there's the...
And here's a dead pig that someone's either shot in the nest. The remains of a pig. It's a good boar. Oh, it's not that big. It's a good place to camp. You've got a rich man's salad right behind you. See that tree there? That's what they call a rich man's salad, because you cut the whole tree down to get the salad which is inside that there. It's a bugger, there's a dead pig right here, eh? That's the nest. There's definitely been pigs down here. And pigs will be coming down to feed on that pig there, eh?
No. If we're camping here, I'm putting my hammock beyond.
There's plenty of places to camp out, honey. It's a question of how much that wind's going to come up.
Question of maybe not a good idea, because we might die and get eaten by a pig.
You won't get eaten by a pig, honey. So it's a good campsite down here. We've got water, got shelter from the wind. We've also got a dead pig over there, which stinks. And it's bringing other animals in, because pigs eat pigs, because they're omnivores. And Dayla, what?
Get wrecked.
She's worried because she thinks the pig's going to attack her in the night. She doesn't want to camp here. So we'll find somewhere else.
Early in the morning, just about the break of day. Early in the morning, just about the break of day.
That has got cramp, and we just pulled out of the last bay. How's your cramp?
And both feet.
Both feet. This is our new bay. We've got an awesome little campsite here. Nice bit of green grass. The kayaks in there. And oh, what I'd love to do to go hunting up in there. But I've got no rifle, no dog. Got fresh water over here.
So,
What do you reckon about this for a campsite, honey? It's pretty cool, eh?
the cutty grass got me.
Oh, bloody old cutty grass, eh? Gee, you've been in the water today. Hey, but look where we are. We're in paradise. Wow, what a spot. Right, I'm going to make a tent. You sort your hammock out.
Hammock.
There's a stick with a poo going through it, like a kebab. It's pig poo kebab, see that? There's pig shit everywhere, man. We've got a campsite set up. Got my tent here. And over here, my girl, she's got a hammock all set up. Getting a sleeping bag out now.
And get that in there so
Yep.
you don't get like a cold back.
Okay. You're sweet.
Yeah, well, you get a tent and you have luxury.
Well, I chose a tent. You could have a tent if you want.
I don't have one.
Well, I need to get you a tent, eh? Do you want a tent?
No,
You don't want a tent?
I don't know. I don't think I need one, you know.
Okay, righto. I'll leave you to it. It was a really windy night, and I don't think I got much sleep. And I woke up this morning, and there's rain cloud everywhere, and the wind's blowing pretty hard. I was hoping to get out to the point for a fish, but it's not ideal conditions. It's probably the worst weather we could have actually had for this trip, as far as fishing goes. It's the wind that's the problem, not the rain. Don't mind getting wet, but the wind is just so strong out there, it blows the kayak around, and you just can't do anything. Can't film, can't fish. So we'll see how we get on, but she's not looking flash. Thanks, honey.
Okay.
Keep radio on here. See you when I get back. Hopefully get some fish. Been fishing for about half an hour with no joy. You can see the sun's pretty much up. Hey honey, you get your spray skirt on by yourself? You can get it on, eh? No worries, you're sweet. Just going to put this down and get up on the beach for a while. You see it moving? Rob?
Yeah.
There's a fish on there, look. And that is breakfast. That's our breakfast, saved by one little car wire. Had nothing all morning.
Early in the morning, just about the break of day. Early in the morning, just about the break of day.
I'm actually bloody cold, and it's springtime in New Zealand, and I thought, well, I'll throw in extra clothes just in case. You never know, eh? In New Zealand, that's something I always tell overseas people. I've been out this morning in the boat and I'm freezing. Really cold, so I'm going to put some extra layers on. Oh, that cold wind, having feet in the water all the time. Body temperature's gone right down, so extra layers. So when you go away in the scrub and you come to New Zealand, even if it's the middle of summer, pack extra clothes. Lots of dry clothes. Even if you think it's a hassle to carry it weight-wise, you'll be happy to have it. And one of these, a puffer jacket, they're really light. You can fold them up, they can actually go inside their own pocket. But it's a godsend when you're freezing like this to get your body warm again. The other thing I haven't done is I haven't eaten this morning. I went out to catch a fish for breakfast, which I've caught, but I should have eaten a little bit before I left. That was a mistake on my part. But all I had was a bit of dry food to cook up, and I thought, oh no, I'll catch a fish. Food, fuel to burn. That fish is going to taste really good now because I'm in need of it. I'm really cold. What I'm looking for up here is some dead manuka. This stuff here. And wherever you find live stuff, you'll find dead stuff where trees have fallen down and broken branches off. And right down here below me, it's just that. We don't want green, we want dry. That's perfect. You can tell by the way it just broke off there. So we're going to take shavings off that to smoke our kawai. One of these little shelters around your gas cooker are invaluable. Also, when you're boiling your water, always cover it up. Save gas, things will cook much faster covered up. And I use it around fires, gas, cookers, you name it, just keeps the wind out and the heat in. Cup of tea and some clothes. Warm, fresh socks. The little things in life that make it better. You wonder about how our ancestors ever survived without all the luxuries we have. This knife is just about done its dash. As far as being sharp goes. Good girl. Daddy's just bought me some stones. So we've got two nice fillets. We're also going to keep these fins as well. We're not going to waste anything here. I'm going to just tear those off. We might even make a soup out of that later on. So we've got two wings. Two nice fillets. Normally I'd leave the scales on for smoking, but I actually want to eat the skin, so I've taken the scales off. These stones are going to do two things. They're going to hold the shavings closer to the heat, and they're going to keep the fish off it. Oh, that smells good already, without even putting the fish in there. Gonna put that fillet in there. And our wings. Put this on top. Right, we'll give that about 15 minutes. Is that all you camp?
Yep.
Okay, starting the kayak. This fish is smoking in here, it'll be ready soon.
You know how Breed always lands butter side up?
Yep.
Yeah. And cats always land on their feet? Yeah, so if we tie Breed with butter side up to the back of a cat and throw it off a building, what's going to happen?
It's going to hit the concrete below and be a bloody, breedy catastrophe. Right, let's eat this, eh? Is it ready? It's ready. Whoa, yes. It looks good. Hell yeah. I can turn this off, that looks great. What do you reckon? Can you smell it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's ready. Look at it, she's falling apart in there. Skin's coming off on the rocks. Happy days. That worked really well. There's a wing for you too. So this method I learnt from subscriber and good bastard Darren H. I learned so much from my subscribers. He sent me a little video and it was with sawdust and pine. I thought pine doesn't sound like a good idea, we'll just use rocks. Actually that was his idea too, use stones, so let's see how it works. I'll take first bite and then I'll tell you, honey. Now the rib cage is going to be at the front because I've left it in, so you have to work around that, but there'll be no bones at the back. Just let me enjoy this moment for a minute. Oh. That's perfect. You're going to love this. You're going to love it. Oh man. So good. Oh man. Mmm. Mmm. It's absolutely perfect.
It's good.
Well, kayak's up on the roof racks, and I'd like to thank my dad for lending me his sea kayak, and Manfred for lending Dayla that kayak you had.
Sea kayak, and Dan the man for all his gear that I borrowed.
Yep, thank you Dan the man. And dads out there, good luck doing stuff with your own daughters or sons like this, because they grow up pretty fast. If you made it through the clip this far without nodding off or falling asleep, smack the like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, then hit the subscribe if you're into this sort of thing. And thanks for watching. Time to get home. And as per usual, be good. And if you can't be good, well, what, honey?
Be careful.
That's the one, sweetheart. Be careful.
Rain on my window always makes me smile. By my side makes life worthwhile, oh yeah. Said rain on my rooftop always makes me feel secure, and you by my side makes life worthwhile, oh yeah. I said